How to make waiting list in Shopify. In this video, we're going to be talking about Shopify and how you can use this incredible software to make a waiting list. Now, what is a waiting list? So let's say you have a product in your e-commerce store that has run out of stock, okay? You don't have a lot of stock of it in your warehouse anymore. So what you can do is you can actually put up a prompt on your store where if someone goes ahead and applies for the product that is out of stock, they're going to get a notification that, hey, this option is out of stock, but we can notify you and add you to the waiting list once it is back in stock. Okay, and basically that is adding someone to a waiting list. Okay, so that is what we're going to be talking about today, and it's really simple, it's really easy. I'm going to be walking you through everything, creating you a Shopify account, showing you what apps you need, and so much more. So to start things off, what you're going to do is you're going to come over to shopify.com, and we're going to go over to start free trial. Now, once we're over here, we're simply going to wait for our store to be created. It's going to ask you a few questions. Go ahead and answer them. And here it says, where will your business be located? Make sure to choose the country that you are selling in. Okay, don't choose any other country for the currency or other matters. Once you've done that, here we're going to go up with sign up with email. I'm going to be using a temp mail for my sign up, but you don't necessarily have to go through with this step. I'm only doing this step because I'm going to be temporarily using this account and discarding it later. So once we have gone through and added our email and password, we're simply going to go ahead and click on create Shopify account from here. And once we click on create Shopify account, here it's going to take us to the onboarding. It's going to create our store. It's going to load in our dashboard. So you're simply going to wait for those things to load in. And here, as you can see, it's going to bring me to my account. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to enter my password. And once my password is entered, we're going to click on login. And we're going to get straight into our Shopify account. Now, do know this, that when you are in this, you're going to need a few things. So first of all, you are going to need products in your store, and you're going to make sure that product is out of stock. Okay. And whenever that product is out of stock, you're going to be using any back in stock application. Okay, we're going to be using applications on the Shopify App Store, and I'm going to be showing you which applications are going to work best. There's tons and tons of back in store restocked applications, but we're going to be using one specific one with the free plan. So first of all, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to go over to my products, and in my products, I'm going to be adding a product that is out of stock. Once you're here, what you're going to do is you're going to click on add product. Now, once you click on add product, let's go ahead and I'm just going to add something random like black hoodie. Okay, we're going to write that in. You can write in its description that this is authentic 100% cotton hoodie, hand knitted, great for the winters to keep you warm. Okay, so you're going to go ahead and write your description. Once you do that, here it's going to ask you to upload the media. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on media. Okay, and it's going to bring you to the uploading section. So I'm simply going to wait for that to load in, and here we are. Now, once this loads in, you're going to add whatever media you want. Okay, once we have added this, you're going to come down here, choose its price. So let's say I'm going to go with this much. Okay, compare at price, I'm gonna add this much. Compare at price is basically the scratch off price, which is, after and before sale, etc. Then we have this. This is basically our stock. So I'm not going to continue selling it out of stock, neither am I going to put any in the stock, because that is exactly what we're here to do. We're going to give the user or the customer a waiting list option. So I'm going to save this product, and once this product is saved, what we're going to want to do from here is we're going to go over to our app store. So here we are. The product is now created. And once the product is created and good to go, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to come here where it says add apps. And once we click on add apps, we're going to go over to Shopify App Store right here. Now in the Shopify App Store, we're simply going to wait for things to load in. And once things have, properly loaded in and everything is good to go, what you can do from here, so you're going to click this, and we're going to go ahead and write back in stock. Okay, now there's tons and tons of applications for back in stock, as I told you. Okay, so we have notify, back in stock pre-order, and it goes on and on. But personally, what I like to use is this back in stock restock alerts because it gives you, first of all, a free plan and it works perfectly blended with your Shopify theme. And you can also send automatic back in stock notifications via email, text, and push notifications. You can grow email lists and sync to email providers like Klaviyo, MailChimp, and more. You can set up notify buttons in minutes, which you can also customize, analyze sales for popular out of stock inventory, and it's pretty much compatible with almost every theme that you have, okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to click on install. And as you can see, you can also get the plans and pricings here. So, free to install, $19, $49, and $69. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up here. And once we open this up over here, it's going to bring us to the authorization where it's going to ask us to install and everything. So I'm going to do just that. And once it is installed, here we have it. Welcome to Back in Stock. You're almost there. Just make sure that, you get permanently the free plan. So it says you can cancel or downgrade to the free plan. And obviously that is what I want. So we're going to go ahead and click on continue. And once we click on continue, as you can see, it's going to be confirming and recurring your applications. Now, in the case you do want to downgrade, what you can do is basically once you have this app running over here, you can go over to the in-stock alerts and you're going to want to make sure to log in with your account where it's going to bring you to activities, and here you are. So now you're on the free plan right now. Okay, it's totally free and it's totally straightforward. Now, once you're over here, what you're going to be doing is you're going to come over to products. And once we're in products, obviously it's going to give you these variants of products that you can obviously connect. And you can obviously go ahead and connect your Shopify store with it as well. So you need to connect your Shopify store through the integration section to, set up your customers. So the request will be granted. So we're going to wait for that to load in. I'm going to click on update just so it can go ahead and connect easily. And once all of this is done, enable the integration from here and click on Save Shopify Customer Settings. And there we go. So now your settings have been saved. Now, moreover, what you can do is, first of all, we're going to come over to products and you're going to see that you actually get a lot of products by variants or by groups. So you can search it by the product name. Obviously, my product name is Black Hoodie. So you can obviously go ahead and search that up and, make sure to have variants of your products so, you can add a back in stock for them. And moving on, once everything is integrated and well off, what you can do is you can actually create campaigns for those templates that we have. So you're going to click on edit template and here you can see we have the black hoodie. Black hoodie is available now from my store. Okay. So this is basically an email that you're writing to them if they opt for the out of stock product. Okay. So we're going to come over to templates and we have this whole template that we can, create for ourselves. And once you've created this template, you're going to click on obviously publish English template settings. Now this basically creates a template for you. And you can even check how many templates you have in the campaign section. So, it's pretty well off, pretty good stuff. Now, if we go over to the online store, once we've added back in stock and everything, you're going to go over to your store and here we have our product, right? Now, if we go ahead and click onto this product, we can see that this product is sold out. But what back in stock does is look at this. It gives you the notify me when available option. And a person will write their email. And once they do notify me when available, this will add them in the waiting list. And once the product is available, back in stock is going to send them an email. So that is basically how you can create a waiting list in your Shopify in the easiest and most simplest way. Now, if you enjoyed this video, please do make sure to drop down a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to see more videos like this in the future, let me know down in the comments below and I'll be making a whole lot more for you. Till then, that is all from me and I'll be seeing all of you in the very next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.